And rising, grand rising. A little shout out to the Trinity School of Natural Health here. I want to talk about the importance of your mitochondria. And what is your mitochondria? It is the core of your capacity to handle stress. With me right now in adrenal failure, I'm in adrenal crisis. You can die from adrenal failure, guys. Your mitochondria are tiny cells. They perform all these complex processes, these Krebs cycles, what these Krebs cycles do. The mitochondria converts the chemical energy from your food into ATP, your adenosine triphosphate. Your energy courtesy, all these practitioners, Maria, I want more energy. Well, energy is your mitochondria. And if you don't have your mitochondria in your body producing the ATP, handling the stress, you're in trouble. The body has a greater concentration of this mitochondria, like in your heart, in your muscles, your skeletal muscles, your brain, and your liver. They accept these red blood cells that contain the mitochondria. And scientists believe that the bacteria outnumber the mitochondria in our body. That's why you have to be very careful with the pathogens and the parasites and the bacteria. We have about 35 trillion bacteria, 500 times as many mitochondria. Think about that. These are energy centers in your body. So how do you keep them strong? High energy. I want to walk around vitality. I want to live with clarity. I want to have, peace in life. You have to do high quality nutrition. You're not eating organic, taking care of your body. You have to also hydrate, and you have to manage your stress. What is healthy stress versus harmful stress? I'm going to be doing a lot of teaching on that this week. Most experts agree your appropriate nutrition, both from food and high quality supplements. You need to really test your supplements, guys. Sometimes you'll be taking supplements and that you're hurting your body. But the important thing is that you can bolster your mitochondria. You are what you eat. So I would be eating whole foods. I'd be eating organic foods. Things like, he recommends 9 cups of organic, fresh, colorful vegetables. More colorful, the more they help your heart and your brain. Reds are for your heart, purples for the brain, fruits like that. 3 cups of greens. I know people that never eat greens. Nah, man, I don't eat that stuff, and I hate water. That's why you're sick. 3 cups of greens. You want to do 3 deeply colored and rich sulfur. I love to eat broccolis, onions, garlics, asparagus, cabbage. These are sulfur foods that will help keep your probiotics, your gut health. Guys, it's key. Not 9 cups of 1 or 2 foods. You get as many different colors. Eat the rainbow. You need to have fresh produce. The fresher, the better. I've been trying to grow my own food. I've been running from my home because I'm a whistleblower, but I was growing all of my food. Can't do that right now on the run. So if you want to boost your mitochondria, you can do supplements. You can exercise, eat organic food, hydrate. You can even do some fasting to really reset everything. You need to really address any stress, including hormetic ones, stimulate the release of unstable molecules. These oxygens, these ROSs, these free radicals, anything that's a radical is like stress, and it does oxidative damage. What is oxidative damage? Well, it literally eats your tissue, okay? Your cells make mitochondrial help deal with stress. So if you increase the number and the power of your mitochondria, you increase your cell's energy production. You can build your own resilience threshold. All right, guys, Eden's Living TV, talking about mitochondria. Peace.